This looks like a very interesting Radnik. I'm in a very old building in the center of Zagreb in Croatia. Look at this old button for the light. This could be a good lift. Oh, look at that. Man. This is cool. Look at the leveling. Let's check this out. The lights are very fancy. Six floors. Very cool doors. And very cool cabin. The stop button works. And it will stop as I close it. As I open it, excuse me. Let's proceed. Here we are. Yes, the leveling is really off. Look at this. But I still love this lift. And I'll check the alarms I will be getting out of this lift, if there is no one down there. I love these buttons. Here we are. The doors go into here. Lovely lift. It works. Oh, someone already called it. Nice. Oh, I gone to the wrong floor. Let's go down. And here we are.